Hello and welcome to Sort of Success classes. Today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Mains General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. Name of the author of Panchatantra and Sapnavasavadattam. So the first option is Kalidasa, the second one is Vasa, the third one is Asfagosha, and the last one is Kalhan. Swapnavasavadattam Swapnavasavadattam is a Sanskrit play in 6 acts written by the ancient Indian poet Vasha. Vasha is one of the earliest and most celebrated Indian playwrights in Sanskrit. However, very little is known about him. Okay, now let's see another question. So this is the next two questions. Let's see the first one. Who was popularly known as Nana Sahib? So the right answer is Balaji Bajirao. Balaji Bajirao, 1722-1761, was known as Nana Sahib, who was a Peshwa or Prime Minister of the Maratha Empire in India. During his tenure, the Chhatrapati, the Maratha king, was reduced to mere figurehead. At the same time, the Maratha Empire started transforming into a confederacy in which individual chiefs such as the Holkars, the Scindias, and the Bhosles of Nagpur Kingdom became more powerful. During Balaji Rao's tenure, Balaji Rao's tenure, the Maratha territory the Maratha territory reached its zenith a large part of this expansion however was led by the individual chiefs whose of plunder uh, acts of plundering alienated the masses. Okay, so we just not only give the answer to you, we try to, but also we try to discuss some facts about the answer also. Now let's see the question. Which Mughal building is said to possess the unique feature of being exactly equal in length and breadth, whether it is Red Fort or Agra Fort or Taj Mahal or Buland Darwaza? Okay, so let's see. So the right answer in here is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is said to be uniquely built in the sense that Taj Mahal is said to be uniquely built uniquely built in the sense that it has same length and breadth. The Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble mausoleum mausoleum on the south bank of the river Yamuna. Okay, in the city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Empire Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. Okay, so we successfully solve all this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.